What up, though, fam? What it do? Oh man, it feels so good to be back out here. I've been a little neglectful, but I had a good reason. I had a baby, but I feel bad because I neglected my other babies. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know. Kind of learning on the curve, on the fly here. You know, rainy season is brought upon a lot, but there is some light at the end of the tunnel. But we'll start with the bad. I'm 99% sure this is dead. 99% sure. My trumpet is usually doing the best out of all of them, but the stems got brown. I wasn't sure what that was about. However, some good news is we got new growth. And then there's the desert rose. See, the desert rose doing pretty good. However, baby needs a new plot. Baby needs a new pot ASAP. And here's the newest of the bunch. Here's the newest of the bunch, but she already not doing too good. We gotta give her a little TLC. She's a man, I can't remember the name of her. She look like she a little diseased. And there's a snail around here. That's no good. And then there's the crouton. The croton. Excuse me, not a crouton. You don't put this in the South. Although somebody has been feasted. We got a solution for that. And then the butterfly pea. This is another new one. I just got. Looking nice. Growing up pretty well. And the vine is coming up on a Tuesday. Hopefully they get up to this barbed wire and they can wrap themselves around that. This girl over here is a bingle rope. She's been not doing good, but she looks like she's doing a little better. She got some new growth with the red leaves, these leaves. She was sitting out in the sun, but I moved her under this awning so she doesn't get much water. She doesn't get as much water and as much sun. Some mushrooms in here I need to get rid of also. Don't eat them. And then finally in the back is the Asian bleeding heart. This is a pretty flower. This one is just kind of out of season. I had her probably the second longest, and her season is real short. Her flowers are so beautiful. I'm sorry, just missed them. I had to take care of some things. Like I said, I just had a baby. Mommy in the house right now. She was supposed to bring her out, but she might be eating right now. Mommy! Where the flower was, it's dying now, but man, these are pretty. And then, oh, yeah. So somebody came out and finished, whoever property that was, and did the vines that I couldn't get. The cootie is. Coon named her Dahlia. Oh, yeah, the flower. It was sunny like 10 minutes ago. And now, dun dun dun. That's a dope shot though.